With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
In this question, we have given that an object is to be seen through a simple microscope of focal length 12 cm. Where should the object be placed so as to produce maximum angular magnification? The least distance is 25 cm. So, for maximum angular magnification, the image should be formed at least distance of clear vision. So we will have the image formed should be equals to minus of d, and this will be equals to minus 25 centimeter. Okay, and we have given the focal length as 12 centimeter. So from the formula of lens formula, we have to calculate the object position. So we know that 1 upon f equals to 1 upon v minus 1 upon u. So 1 upon u will be equals to 1 upon f. 1 upon u equals to 1 upon v minus 1 upon f. Okay, so here 1 upon u equals to 1 upon minus 25 minus 1 upon 12. This will be equals to minus 37 upon 300. So from here the u, that means object distance will be equals to minus 300 upon 37 centimeter, that is equals to minus 8.1 centimeter. So the object should be placed at 8.1 centimeter away from the lens. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.